so desperate on my knees to break. And I hear the voice of an angel telling me not to late.
Yeah, my people, welcome back to the channel. I don't know it's a boy Cray. Yeah, man, and today I want to see one of me and party spear fishing, you know, my people. Yeah, man, another brother forward today. We are chop out the road to go down to the HQ today. Yeah, man, so when it does, stick and stay and watch your go on, my people. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, you know. Turn on the post notification so you know when the video them drop. Yeah, man, people, and if you don't want to go ahead and do a contribution or a support towards help getting the HQ clean up and build up, yeah, man, I'm going to leave a link down in the description below and you can go ahead and drop a help and support, you know. But at the same time, I want to go over and check out Parches Spear Fishing same way. So I'm going to leave a link down in the description so you know, people. So, watch where I go on, we are going to get the place clean up. I'll try to get all of them trees cut down because them trees are there in the road, you know. So, I'll try to get them move out of the way. So remember I tell about the disciplinary people them that, you know, so happen we just go to bounce and bounce on the bush and we see them fly out. So watch how I go on, people, I go blaze them out, you know, so you just watch how I go on. Alright, my peeps, so this is how we do it now. You see this? Light, and then this I go give you a blow torch. Flammable, all died, none no escape. Yeah, man, my people, so that is how we get rid of them today, you know, because I take no bite. I'm dangerous. I'm not want my eye, them shut down, you know. Because one of them that lick me anyway across the face, I want to see me for a good look at time till they gone on back, you know, my people. I tell you the honest truth, you know, so.
Be like mug.
We don't want to see that, so. Watch how I go on. Probably we could have to get 1 or 2 more of them today due to the amount of what's there, so. We'll just watch how I go on, my people, and we are going to get the chopping going on, same way, so. Back into action again. Come on, my people. When I just see the while, I have to burn out somebody wash them, you know. You see me right now, I have to take precaution and go and look what take place in the bush before I start the chopping, you see? You see the whole of the area, I want the whole of it clean out, because I want when the people them come and touch the entrance up there, so them can actually look straight down there, so I go on. But if you more like him, I go leave the tree are standing. You see me? You might leave a big tree are standing. It all depends. So we could just watch how I go and see how many people, because we are getting into the action. Go ahead and get the tree drop down now. Eh? Why me about that thing, you know? You like can ride and go for, man. That's the feeling, we just make a ride and go for. All of them people, we make it go for your power, sir. If you machete alone, you know, draw them, go and draw them, come on. You don't want a machete to draw. I want to feel safe and comfortable in time when I pull up on the HQ. I want to know. I want to say, where I can't go in so much bush. I want to know. Be safe, my people. Be safe. Yeah, man, my people, watch how I go on. I get the thing them cut down now, so them are my tree them where I get out of the way now. Yeah. I'm going to make one better. I look at what I go on and how far away. We start chopping and we reach already, you know, my people. You see me? Come on, because I get the place clean down. See it, my people. Yeah, man, we have the whole of this every chop go straight down, you know. Clean out, go straight down. We want the driveway clean out as big as possible, you know, my people. We don't want to just slim where we just have just one car can able to pass. Yeah man. Yeah, my people see it, yeah? We go ahead and get 2 more of the insect spray them, you know. Get rid of them. I don't know. That's how I go on, you know. So. Better this view how the place look already. Step back down, can get a better look how I go on. Yeah man, so I get the whole area so clean out, go straight down, connect up back to the HQ, my people. Yeah man. So over there so we walk through because see, so you see the bungalow bush there. We are go ahead and get it cut out from one at the back so then can drop out because a be a insect in there, be a wasp. Let me come see what. Yeah man, so yes my people. See what I go on there. The road are clean up, you know, my people, so you can see what I go on. Yeah man, nice and easy. So I get the place clean up one thing. General over so the power saw. You know, I get them in the cut out, you know, my people. We not chop on the whole of this, okay, I don't know. We don't do the whole of that. But right now the main focus is just get the road clean up, go down to the HQ so we can deal with it, you know, my people. So right now, watch is there, go and get the clean up. What we are doing is clean up and heap up one place. I know.
Go get the spray of one of them there.
Yeah.
Right, you know.
Let me just make.
Right down to the road. And below, because we're a nice driveway, you can drive right up to the seaside and stuff. When you come, want to view the nice beach down there, so you can go outside now. Nice driveway there, we're clean up, man.
Come on, so. Right now, we just heat up one place, my people, so. Just one fire go light. Which, you know, not really one fire still, but we just want to make sure that we have a nice little heap on part. So we can just get this light up and just know, see, oh yeah, this right there.
Yeah,
So,
we don't want to come and stand with the backyard, you know.
so just watch where I go on my people.
Not taboo.
try to chop out the clean up, we are going to spray the place. Again, I know we want to get up. Majority I put up like ground clean here. Alright guys, man, so what you go on and on my people. I go get the little piece of almond tree I cut off in about first. I go check if no disciplinary children under here. You see me? Yeah, look if no are the disciplinary children under here, my people. Hey, test what I go on, my people. Yeah, I taste the water, I taste the water. I know we have to make sure we test before we go ahead and do whatever we are doing in the car. They don't want to get bite. See me, my people. But we have spray and things still enough, so. Once we see them, get rid of them. You see me? The people, I make some wild chopping, okay? Let me tell you, say, we chop and watch out for the disciplinary children. But at this point, I see nothing yet. Look, see what I go on in my people, because you see, no matter how you see me brave out on the sea, you know. You see when you come on to was big coward. You see me? Yeah, man, yeah. Big coward when you come on to these disciplinary children, you know. I don't see nothing yet, but I make sure. Alright, my peeps, I don't see nothing. So you know where I go on now. I go ahead and I go under there, but I have a backup plan. You see me? Right now, my pocket, you know. Yeah, man, so right now, the protection depends on this, you know, my people. Pyro, this is my defense for the wasp them. This is my defense mechanism. Over in there we gone now, my people. You know, man, but still I run from them same, you know. No, sit there, we just left it till another time.
No, what's not doing?
So what you going on now? I just get them up and running now. So I get this to chop off now. Then we are head the way further down. Get them little part they cut out. And when you come over here now, you right down there, so. Yeah, in the road that in my people. So all of this have to go clean out same way. Right over to the almond tree there. I get it cut out and clean out same way to my people. So just watch you go on until you reach down the side of my people. Cause if I have the big bush I go cut out, and then after we go ahead and try clean out the road same way. So just watch you go on. They want to see them people. Go ahead and get it clean down, you know. Steady the same way I go and chop off the bush them. And for the amateur, we just want to get the place level down to I mentioned now people. We want to clear it out. Because I don't know, we don't want too much bush. There, you know. Isn't it? So that's where we are going with. As I say. I'm soon go ahead and get the drone up in your ear still and I can see what I go on. Today we have a wonderful weather out here, you know. Yeah man. Come on, see it there. Patch is the power saw guy. I don't know if you use the machine, you know, people. Me handicap when you come on to them the thing there. Me is just a spear fisherman and in the kitchen. No, if you use a couple of other tools, you know, but not like them saw there. Not them kind of saw there, you know, people. You know, when you come on to saw like the saw them in the furniture shop. Yeah, my kind of lines that. Peep. I got a lizard that go up on the limb. Jelly on the people. I don't know, I'll get another camera around, I can see him better up in the face. Yeah man. Peeps, Jelly Ninja, you know.
Chris, we didn't pick me. Shit big.
Yeah.
What that mean?
Them yet to find out.
Yet to find out, you know? In our next video.
Yeah, my people. Yeah, check. I'm just going night, man. A big man afraid of little was. A big man afraid of little was. And me I hear you just pick me up, pick up was and walk up and on with them. Yeah. Eh? Where?
Right on.
If I get place chopped down and cut down, you know. Cause right now, get the road clean off, you know. If we have probably like 1, 2 or 3 more person, probably would have fly past we here for a long time. But 3 are we there and we get the work done in a mannerly time, you know, my people. You see me? Man, in a mannerly time we get the work done. But yes, now I approach us with caution because a lot of maca and things there, my people. You see me? The maca bush them. Whole lot of them there, so. You have to deal with it with caution. So here the chain star around on the back. I go on cut down some of the little smaller tree them same way, you know. Aye aye aye. Alright guys, man, so what you're going on now? I give you a run through of what work I just put in the day. Man, so as you can see now people, all of the area here, the bush up. The man couple almond tree and so well they there in the middle of the road, you know. So go ahead to get them cut out, get them move out, Yeah, we're not gonna really cut down them tree here from half of the side because you know we want them here as some windbreaker. Yeah man, so anyway, we're going to get the road clean up now. Yeah man, this maca section now we want to try go ahead and get some more right clean out to them people. So there it is, looking down by the HQ. So this is a shot from above you know people. Just to make you all have a better look at what's going on. We go ahead and we take it from you know people. So here we are right now. Letting you have a good look at what's going on with people. So this is it. Oh. We're here again with people. So we'll try to go ahead. Couple section of them bush here need to get chopped out to them people because them are harbor a lot of insect, like a wasp and thing. So here we are now my people, showing you all on the road now. If you notice how the road dry on couple of the side, yeah man, because go ahead and light some fire. So it kind of burn out a couple of the sections, so that's why it is looking like how it is looking. So we want to go ahead, get it sprayed down, finish chop off the road, see we clean off some of the bushes from around the road, see people. So now we're going to take a trip from here now, go straight down to the HQ. I'm going to see how the thing look. So here we are now people. Letting you have a look down by the HQ, and then we're going to go right up back now, make you have a complete look. So there you are now, there the road on at the back. We need to go ahead and get some bushing over on the other side. Yeah, we now cut down the tree, just a clean out in between it. So here we are, we try to go ahead and get the road clean up so we can level off in the mids right there. So we see there's two almond tree. So we can go ahead and get it level off so we can put up a shed them, so whenever time you guys come on the adventures, you all have shelter, so whether rain or shine, yeah man, we can accommodate on the same way with people. So you all can go ahead and just drop your little help, drop your little support, drop your little donation, and go ahead and get in work going on with people. So yeah man, so just go and watch what I go on with people. Yeah my people, see that? Yeah man, that a tree we're full of dry trash, we're full of deadly insect and thing, you know. Some of the disciplinary people over in night too. Yeah man, but you know we're going nowhere far still because water there over there ground. So just burn out over there in a tree there, so whole heap of dry tree and something upon it. Yeah man, so that's a go on for what I go on with people. Get rid of the deadly insect them because we don't want them to infest the air right now. Notice the blazing I go down. So we are going left out and on with people and touch the road. You know the vibes. Come on, my people there. One boy drop down across the road and so go ahead and get you out the road. Same way. Watch yourself on this boy. People. So we do it now, so say. So, but yeah, go ahead, I get all them clean off the road still. You know. My road definitely want to chop down. Because I say we want to feel safe and secure whenever time I come out from the beach, you know, my people. So yeah, go ahead and make every adjustment to make sure say the place ready up. So just watch what I go on my people. Alright my peeps, first I want to give God thanks to take me out through the day. But everybody can go home back safe and sound, you know, my people. You see me? Then second, I want to say much respect and thanks to the person them who come out and give me that strength there. Today, you know, help cleaning up the road, you know, my people. So right now we're here up on the road I ride going back. You know, them gone ahead of me because they see me just there light up one little fire. To get one little part burn out with some whole heap of wash there. See me? So right about now my people, we go soon again whenever time we come out back on another clean up. I can see the whole process and the progress of what I go on the whole HQ, you know, my people. So just watch what I go on. Yeah, man, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, you know, my people. Turn on the post notification so you know when the video them drop. Like, yeah, man, please remember, you know, my people. Watch your ads, my people, because I don't know that's how we make a revenue. Yeah, man, so as I already say, my people, if you want to go ahead and give a support or a donation, see me. I will leave the WhatsApp number down below and you can go ahead and reach out to me, see me, my people. So watch how I go on. See you guys in the next adventure.